what's going on, guys? Today I bought a coil pack not too long ago from AutoZone, and I kind of got talked into buying the cheap one. So it's still Misfires in cylinder 1. As you can tell, these three are Denzos, and this is just some cheap Chinese one. So I'm just gonna exchange it for Denzo one today. And then let's hope this thing runs good. I mean, it runs fine. It's just under like 20 pounds of boost when it breaks up, but it's only cylinder 1. That's how I know it's that coil pack. So we're just gonna pull that out, return it to advance, and then swap it in. I hate driving this car in the winter since there's no heat right now. This thing sucks. Also, I decided I didn't want to drive the Miata, so I'm just gonna pull the coil pack right in the parking lot and just give it to him, and then put the new one in, because fuck it. So I just came over here to pop my hood and change the, or grab the coil pack out. There's a muffin with a couple bites out of it. Alright, well, I got a coil pack. Honestly, it looks a little bit different. I hope it doesn't really look like that in the box, because as you saw, I took out the coil pack I drove here on. So this was going to be fun. So let's see how this works. Alright, and let's see. Oh, good. I see red. Awesome. Sweet. Okay, it's the same thing. Alright, let's go pop this thing in. Denzo pack. All right, look at that. Let's rip it. All right, so that didn't fix it. I don't know what is going on, but if I hit boost or load the engine, it'll misfire. Here, I'll just show you right now. The check engine light will probably flash. I don't know if you can hear it too, but it's misfiring too right when I hit like peak boost. And as you can see, the check engine light's flashing, indicating a misfire. But it's only cylinder 1, which I really don't understand. This car was running great like for a long time, and then one day this just came up, so I'm not really sure what to think of this. Even like right there, the check engine light didn't flash, but I could hear it start to misfire. All right, I'm just gonna turn down the boost a little bit and see if that changes anything. The stock injector should be able to handle around 20 pounds, because I believe they're like 290s or something like that, maybe 300s on the 225 AMU engine. So we're just gonna turn down the boost a tiny bit and then see if it still breaks up. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see if we, I'm gonna see if we misfire first. No, it didn't misfire there. Let's see what we're peaking at. All right, so we're peaking around like 16, which is obviously a lot lower than like 2021, but it's running a lot better. So I'm probably just gonna leave it here. This is just my daily anyways, and I honestly don't really care about this car that much. Just to get me from point A to point B for the time being. I really want a 135i. Yeah, call me a butthurt or whatever, but I wanted one forever. I actually looked at one last year, was going to buy the car and everything, but a dealership, they said I could only finance it, even though I brought more than they were asking for in cash. But that's a story for another time. I had a 335i too, but I really want a 135i, so this is just my car in the meantime. But I really want to try and get a 135i before the end of this year as my daily. So that's going to be the goals, 135i and then the Drift Miata. Also, like I said earlier, this car is no heat right now. As you can tell, I can see my breath, and it's not fun. Alright, well that's gonna be it for this video. It's kind of a mystery. If you guys know anything about the 180 and think you know what's up, put it in the comments. I just put in new BK7RE spark plugs, gap to like 0.28, and a fresh coil pack, so I don't know. It's not a big deal. It runs fine with the boost turned down. I'll probably just leave it like that and not worry about it ever again, but that's gonna be it for this video. So if you guys liked it, give it a like and sub. See you guys in the next one.